Hello friend, every day 30 minutes दौड़ने का our challenge 26th day. The challenge should be going on 100 days, but now today I was 30 minutes late about run, and because of the rainy monsoon, background rain also here, rain also now going on. I think I was off today run, but after think rain are not heavy, slowly rain, that rain not stop anymore, and after I was decided go to run. Now currently time is 5:30 and 30 minutes run. After I was shower, and that way I registered to my run. Now look, I registered to my run. That was slowly. Also, always it was. I was done 6 minutes, and slowly barish also happening. You look this, and this is warm weather, and I feel very good. I was done 10 minutes. Now I was done 18 minutes. Remaining 12 minutes. Wow, look this. तो मजा आ गया भाई. Wow, feeling. I was done 24 minutes. Remaining 6 minutes.
5.84 kilometers. Current pace 5 minutes 25 seconds. Average pace 5 minutes 8 seconds.
Oof.